sa pag-ibig.
Sobrang happy and sobrang unexpected kasi lahat ng meron kami ngayon nagbuo ngayon dahil sa pagmamahal at support na binigay nila sa amin from ang Mutya ng Section.
You know, who would have thought in a year from now we were gonna do a film, you know, and not only that, like doing a film with Ash again, which is really great.
Isang passion project partnered with actors and actresses na talagang naniniwala ka. Perfect formula. Hi guys, I'm inviting you to watch
The making of Minamahal, Isang Daan Bulaklak para kay Luna.
Only on Viva One.